Hey everyone! Today, we'll design the Magic House logo by building a house from layered shapes and revealing a bright sparkle right in the middle through negative space.
Staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to forget everything that drags me down. I need to forget everything inside me now.